guys? Welcome back to GunnslingerTV. We're here about to take off at the airport. We're with Nate and Mac. They're coming with us today, and my dad's coming. But yeah, we're going to Tennessee. We're going duck hunting. Should have a good time. Hopefully, kill some birds. Alright guys, filling up my shell bag right now. But yeah, filling up my shell bag right now. Using these heavy metal extremes. I like them a lot. They're stack shot, tungsten, and steel load. They hit pretty hard too. So yeah, and then I got some other ones. I got some 3.5 heavy shot, 2-shot. But yeah, both made by Heavy Shot. Both great shells. I like them a lot. Oh, yeah, just getting ready. Here at the Heritage Inn, getting everything ready for in the morning. My waders are on the boot dryer because they got wet last night, and they're sitting over the air conditioning so they get nice and warm and toasty for in the morning. But yeah, just got everything ready, getting shells out of my bag, putting stuff in my bag, getting everything ready for in the morning though. Should be a good morning. We're gonna leave here around 5:15, wake up around 4:45. Head there, get there around 5:55. But yeah, should be a good morning other than that. And then got like, it's not a far walk through the woods when we get there. We're gonna drive the buggy to the edge of the woods and then walk through the timber, and you'll see the blinds on the edge of this timber hole. So should be a good morning. Other than that, it's gonna be like 30s, maybe 20s in the morning. It's gonna be real cold. Birds should be flying, and we're gonna have a nice blue sky to see. So yeah, hopefully some birds too. See y'all then. Alright guys, it's currently 7:04. It's about, like, it's cold. It was like, it's
31 or 29.
31 to 29. Yeah, it's a cold morning. It's been good to us, but yeah. Killed 5 out of a big group of teal, then killed some mallards and some other ducks, but yeah, out there picking up ducks right now. Yeah, got in here around 6:30, right at shooting light. Got in. It's been good ever since shooting light, so yeah. Been a good 30 minutes, and still got all day, all morning. And shoot, we'll pick the camera back up when we start shooting more birds, or when we start cooking breakfast or something.
Lock them up.
That was cool. That was a big group of teal. Alright guys, so we're here. This is how we have everything set up. All brushed in all around. Got 9 holes, 10 counting the door. And yeah, everybody's just set up. Everybody gets their own slot, own shooting lane kind of. But yeah, and then got the couch, heater, everything. But yeah, this is it. Just comparing shotguns. Diego's shooting my dad's 20 right now. And then my dad's shooting his 12. But yeah, everybody's mostly shooting a 12 gauge in here, except for that 120. But yeah, most people know the difference, but if you don't, the 20's smaller in diameter and length. They make 3-inch shells for 20, but they don't make a 3.5. They make a 3.5 for a 12. And they're smaller guns, lighter guns, but they can still reach out there and kill birds pretty far. I like them. They're nice sub guns. They're really fun to shoot big ducks with. Alright guys, we got some spoonies, some ringnecks, pintails, mallards. I see some geese out there. Some gadwalls, some more.
I got you.
He made the move. It was a good move.
A lot of birds. Had a big group of birds far away, but they were kind of coming at us. But it was a big group. They got pretty close, but not close enough to shoot at.
What kind of birds?
Ducks. It's 8:30. We're already in double digits. Doing pretty good. Just had another big group of birds come in and try to do it right on top of us, but hunters across the river shot on a group of birds they had working, so flared ours, but it's okay. We'll keep on hunting. Still got some time left. Still got a lot of time left. More birds are working, so.
Light them up, light them up.
Nice chop. Man, it smells like food.
Knocked them down. Got a lot down. How many did we take out of that group? 4? Killed 4 out of that group. That was a good one. Alright guys, we're here right now. We just shot one green head. I think Diego shot it. Yeah. He came in freaking did it amazing. Came from out of the sky, high up, freaking straight down. We don't know what's happening, but they keep on flaring off or something. Alright guys, well, as you can tell, it's very active here. It's cold, it's sunny. Ducks are wanting to do it in here. They love it here. They like it here a lot. I mean, as you see, we're just doing that. Birds are in the decoys. We just shot one. But yeah, we're going to get back to hunting, but it's an active morning and a lot of birds. So hopefully we can put a lot more on the wall. But yeah, there's a lot of birds. Oh, Diego, were you the one that shot that one?
Yeah.
That him?
Yep. Man, that looked like a coot from up close.
Big old ringneck.
I was sitting right here in the dog box, and we came in like this, swung out over there, and started flying. I shot it the first time, missed probably about like 1 inch behind it, laid it a little bit in front of it, boom, shot it the second time and folded it. Should have shot again, because it was crippled, and then it just went down. It just died. Didn't try to fight or nothing.
We're at 18 birds right now. Pretty good, pretty solid. It's pretty 9:06, so pretty good morning. just saw some, but they were just migrators. They just flew right past. It was a nice group, though. That's what we see a lot of migrators just flying over back and forth, and that's what we get, and that's what we have to make work, and we make it work. I mean, shoot, a lot of birds on the wall over there, and doing pretty good.
Hey, right there, right here.
Group of shovelers just came in, cleaned them up pretty well. Got a couple of them, but yeah, none of us were ready. They just came in and dumped in on us. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, it's currently 10:01. We've shot a couple more birds since last talk, but birds are still moving. We've seen some, but starting to slow down just a little bit, but should still be good. It's still bright and sunny. It's still cold. You can still see my breath. But yeah. We just shot 2 mallards. They came in real close. 11:24. Just shot 2 mallards. Came in real close. It was real fun. But yeah, birds are still moving.
Aim high, on 3, aim high. 1, 2.
Alright guys, well, we're wrapping it up. We killed 24 birds, what I think was our final count. But yeah, it was a good morning. It was a good day. Had fun. Had, I think, 9 shooters there was. But yeah, it was a good day. Had fun. Tomorrow, we're getting everything set up for tomorrow. Ice heaters. It's gonna be a cold one.
Let me get out here. I got to
Yes, sir.
let the turkey fly.
But yeah, it's gonna be a good one tomorrow. Hopefully, we can put some more birds down. It's been good to us. But yeah. Got a bunch of greenheads. Killed some ringnecks, some pintails, some Hollywoods, a couple grays. Yeah. It was a good morning.
We have the old rusty, trusty Winchester dry lock. That's BB right there, 3-inch Magnum. Trying to get everything out of my bag here. Get ready for tomorrow's shoot.
Well, how do you feel about the number of ducks you got so far for the first day?
Oh, feel good. Guys, welcome back. It's currently 5:06 and it's the 14th. We're about to head out. We're getting everything put in the truck, putting all our stuff on. About to head out. We go to the go to the farm. Yes, sir. And then get everything loaded up in the machines and get in the boat. Head over. It's supposed to froze last night, so should be hunting a big thing of ice. Had to put out the ice heaters last night, so yeah, it'll be an experience. Everybody's getting comfortable, getting set in, putting guns in slots, getting people arranged. But yeah, shooting lights in, I think at 6:30. So start pretty soon, getting ready. We leave today around noon. So we're gonna try to kill as many birds as we can by then and then head out back to Destin. But yeah, other than that, we'll pick it up when we start shooting birds. We walked through the timber today instead of taking the boat. There's ice everywhere. It's cold. Alright guys, it's currently 7:18. We got 3 birds down, I think a gray duck and 2 ringnecks. But yeah, seen a lot of ducks, but it's just now, the sun's just now coming out a lot, so we can see a lot better. But yeah, someone already fell in.
How many hours do we have left until we head out?
We leave at 12, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so like 6 hours, something like that. Just depends on how good it is. Might stay an extra hour. Just depends on how the weather looks. But yeah, we'll pick y'all back up when more birds are dead. Alright guys, we just went 4 for 4. 4 came in, 4 died. Gray ducks, but yeah, it's pretty good. Everything's flying. Those did it pretty. The sun's just now getting up over the trees, so they should be coming in here more. Hopefully we'll kill some more.
I had my big.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Black mallard, black mallard.
Let him have it, James.
Black mallard dead in the hole.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we just killed a nice. How many went down? 3 went down, maybe 4. But yeah, that was good. That was a good one. They did it right. I think we killed a couple mallards and then a black duck. Yeah, I'm gonna keep on shooting them. Pick y'all back up when it happens.
Get him, 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 get him.
That's 2 more on one down right there on the water.
Alright guys, we just had a big group of mallards come in and do it right on top of us. It was real pretty. I think we shot 5, got 5 down, got some green heads. It was fun. That was good. They did it right.
Cut him, go!
Right here it goes. Now you're good.
tail feathers over there when you get a chance. Stick it on that line.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, brother.
That's what they was doing. Their wings were cupped. Next year, we're gonna have that wall and this back wall.
Alright guys, well, as you can tell, we're not in the blind anymore. Alright, we have to go back to Destin, so we're leaving. It's supposed to get real snowy and icy here tomorrow, so we would stay another day, but we wouldn't know if we could leave. And I got school on Tuesday, so yeah, we're going back to Destin, and it was fun. We ended up killing like 24 birds. It was another good day. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching the video, and if you keep on liking this type of content, let us know, comment down below, and we'll see y'all in the next one.